time for a quick demonstration on the Vodafone Automotive ADR card. Now this, if it's sitting static, goes to sleep after 60 seconds, but if it's on me and it's in my pocket now and I approach the vehicle, I'll disarm the alarm, and then as I walk up, once the ADR card is in range, you'll see the hazard lights will flash, and that will turn off the high security system and turn off the additional immobilisation. So we're getting quite close now. I'm going to slow down. There you go. Hazard lights flash and the high security system is disarmed, immobiliser's turned off, and the ADR card has been detected. For more details, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.